Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to work on these problems that involve order of mathematical operations. And in this given problem, we have to place the parentheses in such a way that we can get a value of 12. And here's the hint. We're going to be placing two sets of parentheses. Can you figure out the places we're going to insert these parentheses? Sometimes we call brackets. Take your time. You can pause the video if you wish to. And here is our correct answer with correct location for these parentheses. We have two sets of parentheses. And now we are going to justify that these are the correct locations. And we will use these rules called PEMDAS or BODMAS to get to this answer. Okay, over here, let's take care of these parentheses first. 60 minus 18 is going to give us 42 divided by, once again, we're going to take care of this. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then we have a plus 15 divided by 3. Now the next thing is we're going to be taking care of this part first as we go from left to right. So that is going to give us 7 plus, and then we're going to take care of 15 divided by 3 is going to be 5. 7 plus 5 is going to give us 12. That tells us that 12 is the right answer. And here is your assignment. Can you do this one on your own? You can take your time, you can pause the video. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.